Kite Coin is currently trading around 20 cents, and the token has faced a sharp 16% dump today, signaling strong short-term selling pressure. A double-digit decline like this usually reflects aggressive profit booking, sudden liquidity outflow, or broader weakness across the altcoin market. At the 20-cent psychological level, price action becomes very sensitive. Round numbers often act as key support zones because many traders place buy or stop orders around them. If Kite manages to hold above this level despite the 16% drop, it could indicate that buyers are stepping in to defend the zone. However, a clean breakdown below 20 cents may trigger further downside volatility in the short term. A 16% correction in a single day suggests that momentum has shifted temporarily in favor of sellers. This kind of move often happens after a previous rally where early investors begin securing profits. In volatile crypto markets, sharp drops are frequently part of the normal cycle rather than a sign of long-term weakness. Market psychology during heavy dumps can amplify fear. When traders see red candles accelerating, panic selling sometimes increases the decline beyond fundamental justification. However, such sharp corrections can also create accumulation opportunities if the broader market sentiment stabilizes. In the short term, the key factor will be how price reacts around nearby support levels. If buying volume begins increasing on dips, Kite could attempt a recovery bounce toward higher resistance zones. On the other hand, if overall crypto sentiment remains weak, consolidation or further retracement may continue before the next directional move. With Kite trading around 20 cents after a 16% daily drop, the market is clearly in a high volatility phase. The coming sessions will be crucial in determining whether this move becomes a deeper correction or sets the stage for a potential rebound once selling pressure cools down.